How to fix Minecraft server connection timed out error. 1. Check your internet connection. 2. Check the Minecraft server status. 3. Disable VPN or proxy connections. 4. Whitelist your IP address. To do this, you may contact the Minecraft server team or owner. 5. Check your firewall settings. Ensure your security software allow Minecraft through its settings. 6. Reset your network configuration. Plan B, run the following. Commands as admin, netshare winsock reset netshare in IP reset IP protocol configuration / release IP protocol configuration / renew 7. Temporarily disable your antivirus. 8. Forward 25,565 port in inbound rules for year Minecraft. 9. Ensure the Minecraft version is correct.